What's up, folks? This is Eric from Option Edge, and today we're looking at the QQQs. I wanted to do a little bit of a market update on the QQQs. So we're kind of in a territory where we're hovering right above the 50-day moving average, and we're seeing a little weakness. And in addition to that, we have tech earnings in basically all of the big Mag 7 companies. So Microsoft has earnings coming soon on the 28th. We also have Tesla having earnings also on the 28th. Amazon on the 29th. Apple 29th. Google the week after that. I think Meta's also the week after that in the first week of Feb. So you get the idea. And in addition to that, if we look at the volatility regime right now, so we've had some nice decreasing HV and IV vol in the QQQs. But we're starting to see, as you can see, if we zoom in, we're starting to see this HV, that's realized vol, start to tick up. And it might just catch up with IV. So that's something to look out for. In addition, just a couple things on Twitter that I've noticed. The current put-call ratio is 2.44. So a lot of institutions are buying out of the money puts. The question is why? So it seems like they're preparing for something. Smart money. We also have a good post by Zach Quant. Basically, he's just talking about how currently the QQQ volatility regime is very compressed. Long-term median volatility is about 18%, where we're below 11. We're about 11, 12%. With historically, we got vol compression below the 15th percentile, which is preceded with a 5% move within the next 20 to 40 trading days. So basically, we should expect some sort of volatility. And, if I had to guess, I would say to the downside. In addition, let's go back to QQQs. One trend indicator I like to follow is the Ichimoku cloud. So the Ichimoku cloud is getting just a little bit stretched and exhausted. And basically, once price dips through the Ichimoku cloud, that's usually bad news. And it looks like we've been range bound for a little bit here. So I would really be surprised if we had a big upsize move, especially with the move in 2025, where we had a nice massive move since the tariff tantrum at the beginning of April. So those are my thoughts. I say prepare for some volatility ahead. Peace out.